Hello and welcome to the Shopify tutorial for beginners. In this series of tutorial for next 30 days, we are covering everything you need to know inside Shopify. So in this tutorial, we will see how to add products in Shopify for our Shopify store manually. So if you already created the store and if you follow from the previous video, then we are already in this dashboard of the Shopify store. Then if you want to add our products, and also please do smash that like button, subscribe to the channel so it reach to the more people in the YouTube. We need to click on the products section. Then you will find that there is no product because we did not add any products in this brand new Shopify store. Then what we need to do, we need to click on this add product. Then it will open a panel for us where you can add our Shopify product. So first of all, before adding products, you need to have couple of your information like what is your product title, what is your product description, what the image that you wanted to add in your product. Okay, so first of all, I just found an example here, so I'll just copy all the details from here. So first of all, if we see that here is the title. So what is the title is the name of the product. So this is our name of the product. Then we have some description. So if I just copy this just from here to here for the example, and I will paste it here. And also here is couple of things we can add in the description. We can click on enter, and if you want to make any part of the text bold or make it mark so people have some people see it with attention, so you can just drag the text from with your mouse and click on this bold text, so it will be now bold. So you can make few things bold, few things underline, just make it highlighted and click in this underline option, it will be underlined. So you can do that. So then we can click on enter, and we can also add some images in this description. So click on insert image, then click on upload file and insert an image from your computer. So if I want to add a image, I can just open it and then insert that image inside description. So if you have some uh, image for your products, like some details about your product, you can add that image. So you can see here is the image, it is already added. So I'll just remove it, so I don't require to be added. And then you can see there is, you can insert table as well, you can insert a video as well, and also we can make the alignment of the text as well. Like if I just, it is now left align, I can just make it center align as well, but I will just do it in the left align, so I won't make it center align. You can give some space just like this, enter and put enter, then put enter, so there will be any space in between those. Then product status, what is this? If we want to make this product active, active means people will come to our store and see this product, then we need to make it an active product, because if it is in draft, people will not able to find the product, will not able to buy the product. And then we need to make sure that it is checkmark to online store, so people can find the products to purchase. Then we have some things called product organization, type, vendor, collection. We will discuss about those later when we talk about what is collection and how to make collection work for our store. Then we have media. So media means if you see this product, there is some, then there is a image, there is a image, there is a image as well, right? So these are the things called media, means the product images that we have. So I will just in rush, I will just save few of the images of this kid, and then we'll upload these images in our media. So just save those images and go back here and then click on add file and then click upload. So I'll upload an image, and then this will be uploaded as a product image for that product. Then I can just upload two more all together, then you will see that another two products has been uploaded. So then this is the upload things, and in the later part we have the pricing, what pricing you wanted to sell this product for. So I wanted to sell this product for $50, and right now it is my own local currency, so this is a BDT, means on my local, but let assume it is $50. So what is the compare price, means if you are selling it for a discount, like if it was originally 100, so and now you are selling it for $50, so the compare price will be $100. Okay, so people will see that there is a discount going on. So if you want to charge tax for this product, make sure you check this, and the tax setting will be done from the setting later. Okay, and also you can add the cost per item which customer won't see, so you can margin your profit from it. Like I am have a cost of $10 for it, so my margin is 80%, And also I have a SKU, stock keeping unit. It is something called for the identify for your product, unique identify for your product. If you want to give it, you can give it, or you can make it blank as well. Okay, this is all up to you. Then there is track quantity, means if you want to make how many quantity it is available, you can do that. Like I have remains 900 in my stock. And also you can check this if you want to keep selling it when it is stock out. Okay, so if you check it, it means people will still be able to purchase it if it is not in the stock. But if you uncheck it, people will see that it is out of stock and they won't be able to make it a purchase or add it to cart. So this is up to you. If you think that checking this or making selling it out of stock is also beneficial for you, then you can make sure that you check it. Then there is a shipping things called, this is a physical products. Yes, this is a physical products. If you are selling an ebook, this will be unchecked, but as this is a physical product, we will check this. And also you can add the weight for it, like kg, lb, og, anything you want. So if there is a weight for it, then you must need to add it. So you can just charge some tax, some shipping charge based on the weight. So this is also very important. Then select the reason. So if you for some reason you wanted to sell it or sell those products for some country, then you can check it or uncheck it. It is up to you. Customer reason, in most when the product is manufactured. Okay, so where from the product is manufacturing. So if it is manufacturing from United Store or your store is United Store, you can select United Store. So this is up to you. So this is the overall option of adding a product in our Shopify store. And in the second video we will see how to add variants or how to add multiple product option in our Shopify store. So after adding all of those, we need to click on save, and we will see the preview of how it is looking. Then click on the preview, then you will see that this is the look it is right now in our Shopify store. So here is the product title, here is the product. Right now it is selling for $50 and the original price was $100. So this is the compare price which is crossed out, and it is showing sell because we are giving people it is for 50% discount, right? Then we have the our description, and these things are coming from the theme, so don't worry about it. And then we have our Shopify, our related images. So here is another thing is the image that we have first will be the featured image. So the thing here is, you can see this is the featured image is showing in the top. So for some reason you wanted to change it, you wanted to make this one the featured image, then just hover your mouse here and then drag this image into that part. Okay, into that part you can see that the image is moving in the larger part. Now if I just do that and if I just now preview it, you will see that this image that we have moved is now 1 minute. So this is the image that is currently have to be shown as the, now you can see it is now the featured image. So you can just drag and drop and reorder the images as you like, and also you can add more images to the products as well. So this is the overall thing about the product, how to add products. In the next video we'll see how to add multiple product option in our store. Like if our products have color, sizes, etc, we'll see how to add that in the next video. So hope you are enjoying this series of tutorial. If so, do smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and also let me know in the comment as well. So thank you very much for watching the video.